Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sunday and we are about to head to the meat shop and also do a little shopping at No Frills today.
That's
So,
it. That
yeah.
is it. That is it. So we're going to North France. I've always been going to Superstore affiliate recently. So we're just mixing it up today. We're gonna go and get some grocery,
Mhm.
and we're gonna go and see if we can get some meat at the meat shop. But before we do any of that, guys, we just want to say what? Check out our Shopify store. We have merch available now. So if you guys look underneath the videos, you'll probably see some merch that's available. There's more coming. Definitely, there's more coming. But if you guys want to show some support, if you guys want to show some love, merch is up and running I know, you understand? Check out our store. Share it and all of the fun stuff them as well. The Andersons is in business. The Andersons family we're growing. So it's only natural that we, make this merch move. You think them know to them to subscribe already, man?
I think some of them don't know as yet, but those who don't know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
If you don't
If
know,
you
now
know,
you
you know.
know.
Hit the like button, share out the videos, it helps us a lot. So yeah.
And drop a comment. Don't forget about that part as well. And share some videos. It's a rainy morning this morning in Grand Prairie. It's just me and us this morning. And we have, childcare, So we are definitely taking some alone time, even if it means just going to the store together. We
Yeah.
are not usually by ourselves. We usually have our handbags, which is quite fine, but yeah, sometimes we just need that one-on-one time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go to the meat shop, see if what kind of meat they have today. I don't think we've ever taken them to the meat shop before, babes.
We haven't. We haven't taken. Okay, yeah, we're gonna take it to this meat shop. It's I think it's had been around for a long time here in GP. Don't know the history of it or anything, but normally we can get a few stuff that we use on a daily basis at this meat shop. So yeah.
Yeah, including chicken foot. That's one of the things that we found most, not most surprising, but one of the shocks that we found is that most persons here
Chicken
don't
feet.
know that chicken foot can be eaten.
They're like yuck.
We're like, what about that, man?
No, there's some
You
of them
know some
know.
curry chicken
And
foot?
they're like, yuck, you should not eat
They're like,
that.
how do you eat that? Oh, what's on it? The other. But yeah, chicken foot can eat. So we're gonna go to the meat shop and see what we can find. And then we're gonna go to North Roads and do some grocery. Hopefully we can show you guys the full experience today. Don't forget again to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop a comment. Alright guys, see you guys
In the
in the
meat
meat
shop.
shop.
Chicken foot. Ooh,
Meat
bingo.
patties. You guys have a chicken feet? What is that? Chicken feet should be there. No chicken feet in one too.
Oh,
What is that?
beef tongue.
Beef tongue.
Ah,
That's a big tongue. That's what tongues are large.
yeah. But it actually tastes nice though.
Uh, what is that? That's still.
Yeah, $34.
I don't know about it. What for 27?
Yeah, but
I
chop
don't know
up
if I'm
them.
cheap if you think about sometimes. How much the price of that?
27.
27. And how much pounds? Okay.
What's this?
Should I get one of the baskets?
Yeah, I think you should. Kidney. $2.
What are kidney?
Mm-hmm.
Pick up one too.
It can't be two. You have to be more. This is one.
But yeah, two is just
$2.
so three or $2 for it.
$2.
Pick up four then. Right there.
Yeah. One have a $3, so it's bigger. $4. Lamb stew. Lamb stew, they label it as lamb stew.
Oh, it's really good meat. Oh, it's just the same.
What's this?
And then I have no my
Pork
mother
loin.
wanted to try like
Wow.
reindeer health.
Ah, you
Like,
have to ask. I don't know where those things are get.
let me ask you something.
Oh, brown.
Okay, so Marvin wanted to try elk meat. So, should I take it still? Just see for the taste?
Yeah, you want to taste it? Yeah. Huh? Keep that. Don't want that. Frozen. Babes? Frozen koi fish. Yeah. Huh? No, I'm good.
You want to frozen crayfish?
No, I'm not sure that we have. Can have get it.
Cooked. Is this
Chicken.
real?
Chicken skin.
Chicken skin. That's crazy.
Chicken foot most would be here.
That's a weird random question, especially for a person watching this vlog right now. Why would somebody buy chicken skin?
Too easy, it's hard to feed. I don't know. Get oil, something. It's a
Chicken wing?
wing and
Chicken wing?
drumsticks. Wing and drumsticks.
Huh?
Wings and drumsticks. Wing and drumsticks are
Wings
just.
and that's not drumsticks. That's we call it. You take the wing thing and the tip or the elbows.
Oh,
I don't know if it's her. Brisket a little bit. Too big. Beef. Not bad, dude. Oh, we should take up the lamb meat, the goat meat.
they want it?
Yeah. We need ground meat.
No. Yeah, we
I
can.
think we checked that last time.
Yeah, they don't have any brownie.
I think ground meat. Is that for meat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what are the meat for?
Pork side ribs.
Yeah. What's up? I can show some barbecues at them. Nice. This
Sorry.
is $8.21. Pork side ribs. That is it.
That's it.
That's it. I don't say.
Yeah, it is.
What are you using? Oh, you're good.
Huh?
Oh, I forgot. Let me put this back. So guys, that came to $110. We got a decent amount of meat, including oxtail and lamb meat. So considering that it wasn't too bad, we got pork ribs, some kidney.
Yeah.
Wasn't too bad. But if you guys like to see these videos, guys, support us, cause you don't know say it add up. So subscribe, like, share, the all works. But you guys can check out our Shopify store, and also you guys can become a member of the channel. And if you guys don't want to become a member, or you don't want to buy anything to support us, that's fine too. You guys can give us a gift through our GoFundMe link as well. That's in the video description. So if you guys like to see these shopping vlogs, it does add up over time. So you guys can show support by just blessing us in whatever way you can. That really goes a far way in getting this content out as well, right? Share though, if it is that you guys don't have the financial means, that's okay. Share some videos, comment on some videos, subscribe to the channel. Those are all free ways you can support us, alright guys? So don't be a silent watcher in the background. Don't be a silent watcher. You can support us by commenting. Because when you comment, like, share, and subscribe, it makes YouTube push the videos in front of other persons who like similar content. So you guys can support us by doing that. But anyways, that's enough begging. We're on our way now to No Frills to go and do some more shopping.
More shopping.
What's that? Is that time? There's no time. There's only mint. Mm-hmm.
Oh, grapes.
Hey, you gotta pick up grapes? Sure. Yeah. Get some beetroots. Hmm? It's been a while we've gone shopping and there's no one in the cart. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, we have to broccoli. We need what do you call it? Coconut milk. What's the price for the broccoli? That's not the one? Oh yeah, here it is. Broccoli $3.49. One has stem, one doesn't have stem. It's just preference. Some persons like to eat the stem, some person doesn't like to eat the stem. That's what it is. Banana. Malaya likes her banana. Malaya said plantain the other day. Banana? I'm like, no, Malaya, it's plantain. Plantain? I got my pieces up in charge. Big up no name.
Nice.
Okay, that's not bad at all. Did we pick up what's it called? Pork in that place? We did? Or that's we took out the pork ribs. What about the snips? No, not the bacon, the pork. Mm-hmm. Hey, these drumsticks are very affordable today. Ooh.
What do you want? Try. Yeah, try from bean.
Making me hungry. Well, why try get so expensive?
How much? Whoa! Put it back. Lock it back.
I don't like try that much.
We were
Yeah,
$15.
foot.
How much?
No?
Yeah, but we have to find bean at African store.
Being selling there.
You have to put on more.
No man, this is it. This is it.
Okay, go.
So guys, we're now in the most important aisle of the entire supermarket. And that is the aisle where we're gonna go and get Pediasure. Come on.
Somebody in front. Okay.
$12. One for $12. God have mercy on us.
You're looking for the coconut milk.
Coconut milk is around the other side. I'm looking for sugar.
Oh, sugar would be.
You know what I think? I think the put this card, she said about over, take another one, and then say, yeah, that's not one.
Yeah, I think that is what happened.
That was what happened.
Karma will get you. Yeah? Karma will get you. Simpler things that people do, they come back around.
Okay.
Beans, red peas.
So we have this. Looking for broad bean, a broad bean lookalike, and also pigeon peas.
Pick up 2 sardines.
More sardine on what we have.
Pick up some eggs. Some white. White. I'm looking for brown eggs. These are the only ones.
What?
Oh, okay.
This shit brother.
Yeah. White.
Got my burger on.
We don't need no go-go skis.
Huh?
She have one big pack of go-go skis.
Earth is so unbalanced.
We need sugar. Get some sugar.
Sugar.
Coffee stuff, tea items, coconut milk. Oh yeah, why are you shaking it like that?
Because it's still hard up. This is not shaking at all. Alright, big up, you don't know that one there. Yes, you know that one there. $1. But I don't like the milk powder, I don't like the liquid. Like to mix it up. You want any tea stuff, right? Any tea bags? You want any tea bags? Any tea stuff?
Yeah, I think I should pick up. I'm trying to cut out coffee. A lot of coffee. Or chocolate. You have chocolate at home. Well, just regular tea. I go to the tea. Green tea. Tet leaf.
Green tea?
Yeah. Decaf. I don't know. I don't have much option here, but
So, right?
they can
Container good. Yeah.
packaging.
And it's not someone there?
Yeah, I think they all want different snacks now.
Hmm?
I don't know what kind of snacks we can. Malika.
It's just the ketchup one, but Malay we eat it.
That's it. Yeah. Just
And probably mixed vegetable.
tea.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
They drink unlimited drink water, they'll drink the LTS unlimited drink. You want drumsticks?
Definitely want drumsticks.
I feel like cooking today, guys. I feel like cooking today. Tell them some chef now do.
But you're the chef, I don't need
Tell
to.
them know, tell them know already.
I think they know that I can cook, so you must be the chef.
Cashier.
Drumsticks. Go to the cashier, I'll pick up the drums. Go to the cashier, because yeah, you have meeting.
Killer beans. You got the receipt?
I do.
Okay, can I get it?
Hold on. To the whole list.
Okay. So guys, thank you for coming along on this shopping expedition. Everything came to $199, which is freaking amazing actually. I thought that this would have been closer to $300, but it even ended up being less than $200. And you guys saw what we got. We got meat, we got veggies, we got everything that we needed plus more. Put it that way. And even with the other meats that we bought at the meat shop, everything came to just barely over $300. So I think that's amazing. Some days are good, some days are not so good, but today is one of those good days, right? If you guys like the video, right? It really helps me out, helps out the channel, help Nuts out, help Malika out, and Malia out, right? Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Drop a comment, guys. See you guys in the next video.